and girls, and today I will be showing you how to equip your own custom keyboard. So, I guess we should just go straight into the video. Oh, what's that? Is that Lords.io? Lords.io? Oh no, it's not like I'll ever be posting a video on this game, but that's not the point. Okay, that's not the point. So let's go over to the App Store and download Rainbow Key, 100% free. Well, not 100% free, but to buy it costs $0. You go over to Rainbow Key. You can create, and you're not forced to create. You can just choose one from here, like the lightning one. I actually like this one. So if I were to set this, it's just animated. It's pretty cool if you ask me. And there are all different types that you can get. All different types. But that's not what I'm going to be showing you in this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom theme. Let's go over to this one because it's rainy and it looks pretty cool. So first what you're going to have to do is you're just going to have to press next in the top right corner. Then you can choose all of the different shapes that you would want. For this one, I'm just going to go with hexagons. Then you can choose the font of all of your letters, but most of them you have to buy to actually use them. So I'm just going to be using the classic. Then you can choose the type effect. So whenever you type something, it'll have a lollipop. Or you can just hold stuff down, get a ton of lollipops. Then there's Mario. Every time you type a key. Then there's Spoopy Ghost. Ooh, I'm so spoopy! But nobody has time for Spoopy Ghost. So let's just go with some meteors. Because why not? Type. Go over to next. You can choose the sound that you get every time you type. You can have the ding ding ding, or you could have the beep beep beep, or you could have the or you could have the I sound really stupid right now, but editing me says that I was correct and I sounded extremely stupid. But there's my keyboard, so yeah. Anyways, I have it done now, and I can go over to settings and do Rainbow Key, go into allow full access, and then you're done. It's fully set, and cool stuff is happening. So yeah, and also I hope editing me is nice and just puts in a nice intro right here. So yeah, go ahead editing me, do stuff. Yes, of course I'm in outro. What you talking about? You know what? Editing me, just be a nice guy and put your stuff where you're supposed to put it. Come on, man. Thought the video was over. Well, the thing is, you're right.